Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Konkani recipe. We'll be seeing how to prepare bende sagle. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 15 to 20 lady's finger, 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, a marble sized tamarind, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to roast the spices for the ground masala paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 2 to 3 Kashmiri dried red chili and about 3 to 4 normal dried red chili, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to prepare the tempering, half teaspoon of mustard seed, 1/4 teaspoon of methi or fenugreek seed, few curry leaf, 5 to 6 tablespoon of coconut oil to roast the lady's finger, and finally salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, wash the lady's finger well and further pat dry this thoroughly with the help of a kitchen towel. Chop the top and bottom portion of the lady's finger and chop this further into 1-inch pieces. Now repeat this for the rest of the lady's finger or okra as well and set this aside. Next, take a tempering pan and into that add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and into this add the coriander seed and dry red chili and roast the ingredients well until they turn aromatic. Next, to prepare the ground masala paste, take a mixer jar and into that transfer the roasted ingredients, freshly grated coconut, a small piece of tamarind along with 1/4 to half cup of water and grind this into a fine paste. Once your ground masala paste is ready, set this aside and next take a thick bottom pan or kadai and into that add 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot enough, into this transfer the chopped lady's finger or okra and saute and cook this in medium flame. After about 1.5 to 2 minutes of cooking, into this add salt as per taste and give everything a good mix. Saute and cook this further until the lady's finger is slightly roasted and turns into a little darker shade. Once the lady's finger or okra is nicely cooked, into this add the prepared ground masala paste and rinse the mixer with 1 cup of water and add that as well. Now give everything a good mix and allow the mixture to cook until the gravy starts boiling. Once the sagle starts boiling, lower the flame to low to medium and allow this to cook for another 5 more minutes. In the meantime, take a tempering pan and add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, mustard seed, methi or fenugreek seed, curry leaf and prepare the tempering. Now we can see our sagle is nicely cooked. Into this add the prepared tempering and now your delicious gravy is ready. The prepared quantity serves about 1 to 2 people and this is an excellent side dish which you can have along with rice, chapati or even roti. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.